Did you know if you mix 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, a half a tablespoon of ground ginger, 1/4 tablespoon of cloves, then give it a good mix until it looks like this? Boom! This is what I call a cold potion. Drink a shot of this a few times a day and say goodbye to being sick in no time. You won't believe what you can do with these 4 ingredients. In a bowl, add a half a cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Give it a good mix until you got this nice golden syrup-like consistency. What you have right now is the most powerful antibiotic. Antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, anti-stressing, packed with antioxidants. So whenever you get sick with the flu, get a cold, stomach problems, head hurts, or coughing, no matter what it is, just eat 1 teaspoon of this every single day and your body will heal and prevent future problems. Did you know if you mix baking soda with honey and apple cider vinegar, mix it until it looks like a paste, you've got the best homemade spot treatment for pimples. Just put some on your finger, apply it on the pimple, leave it on overnight, and it'll be gone. You won't believe what you can do with roses. Pick off some rose petals, gently rinse them, then grab a saucepan and place a small bowl in the middle of it. Add the rose petals around the bowl, then fill the pan with water just enough to cover the petals. Bring it to boil, then turn the heat down, let it simmer. Place a cover over it upside down and add some ice cubes on top. What's gonna happen is the condensation inside the pan will slowly collect in the bowl in the middle. After about 30 minutes, it should be ready. What you have right now is a super powerful liquid gold that we call rose water. Rose water has so many benefits. It can prevent and treat infections, hydrates your skin, good for eczema, heals scars, reduces wrinkles, packed with antioxidants, helps you sleep, and even relieves headaches. Pour the rose water into a spray bottle and apply it on your skin. You can also let your body enjoy the benefits from within by drinking a shot glass of it once a day. They sell this stuff in stores, so save your money and make your own right at home. Did you know if you grab some orange peels, leave them out to dry until they look like this? Then grab them and turn them into a fine powder. Add this powder to a bowl. Cut out an aloe leaf and scrape out the gel into the bowl. Add some honey. Give it a good mix. If it's too thick, add a little bit of fresh orange juice. And boom! What you have right now is a homemade natural way of repairing your hair. Vitamin C, vitamin E, B12, antioxidants. All the things that the product from the store contains to make you want to buy them. To keep your hair healthy. Why? Just make your own. And it's easy. Apply this in your hair, leave it on for about 30 minutes. Let the magic get absorbed by your hair and scalp. And then just wash it off. This mixture helps with dandruff, gives you smooth hair, and if your hair gets frizzy, it helps with that too. Plus, the vitamins and minerals in this mixture repairs damaged hair. Love nature. So don't throw out orange peel. Don't buy those hair repair products in the store. Just make your own at home.